how to delete Facebook account permanently. To do this, first of all, open your Facebook application and then log into your account. Once you have logged into your Facebook account, hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right side of your screen. And then scroll down a little bit and hit on the settings and privacy and go through the settings. Now go through your account center and then hit on the personal details. There you will see account ownership and control option. Hit on that. Now select deactivation or deletion. From there choose the Facebook account and then select the delete account and hit on the continue. Now again hit on the continue. Choose the appropriate reason to delete your account and then last hit continue and your account will be deleted. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.